Yeah, right. Let's take a look at the control modular of the boiler for GWA 70,000 BTU. So took out these two adjust nut. Take it out first, and try to yank on this side right here. You see these two tiny, right? Take it out, push it, and then pressure a little bit, put a little bit pressure, pull it out. Take this one out. So this is a natural gas model 1135-601. Replaced it yesterday. This one causing issue that heat never reached the high limit, which is I set it to 180. It's only reached to like 120 or 125, and then it's work act very it acts very weird. The flame go back on, and then I can see that the indicator is a power indicator, um, thermostat, the limit, which is the high limit, and then the damper, the flame, and the low water um, cut up, right? So the limit LED indicator keep fluctuate, flicking, on and off. So it's something to do with the high limit cut off for some reason, So the reason I determined to replace this uh, uh, control board is I already test all the component, the flame sensors, um, and all the sensor, the damper, which is open and close the vent, and everything work properly, correct. The pilot, the ignition work fine. It trigger, and you can hear that the flame come up, but occasionally when it reach to certain 120 Fahrenheit, it turn off by itself, and then like 5 seconds later it turn it back on. So it keep on and off, on and off. So these components, they don't have this heat is boiler is a little bit old. It's 12 years ago. So the component, I saw a lot of comments on the website online that this one not very reliable, So so I have an upgrade one, so I replaced the upgrade one, right? So when I bought this control modular, I also buy the cable on the harness wire. These components, right? It's a compatible. What you do is you take the orange cable and you cut it on this side right here. Cut it on the on the temperature sensor, and then you grab it. You don't have to buy this cable, but there's no instruction show you that the new board that I bought um, don't need the control sensor, don't need the cable, so I bought that cables. So I now end up replacing the new board, which is 38-1 330-026. So that's the one, that's the new one, right? and they send me this instruction. So when you replace this one's very much, you replace all the component, so moving forward, when you have parts, you're going to refer into the new control modular. So that be careful when moving forward. You're going to replace, if you have anything you want to replace, you're going to have it. Oh, they have it. Wiring harness. So that's the cable. I think they charged me for $7 or $8 for that one. But that cable, you can very much on this side right here, you can cut it right here and route it. The orange cable, right? Grab it. That's the, when I look at the cable they sent to me, that's the only difference. So you can save like $10. You don't have to buy the cable, or if you forgot to order the cable. So you can cut on this side right here, not on this side. All right, this is going to the board. This is going to the temperature sensor, right? So I'm not quite sure, when I have a chance, I'm going to take a look at this, the board. So, I'm not quite sure how to fix it. When I have a chance, I'm going to take a look at it. All right, let's share this information with you. Right. So again, this is for this one is for GWA-07, GWA-07 boiler from Wilson, Weil-Mclain. Right, it's the same thing.